2002 WRX Wagon repair on this rear handle on the hatch. So here's how to do it. You obviously can't open it from the back, so you gotta go inside the car. Put your seats down, they're here, and I need a panel popper, one of these guys. And you're just gonna go to the top. I have my buddy here. You're gonna pop the top. You're gonna hear some pops. There's gonna be a couple on the top. Pop those guys. There's one right here. But anyways, so once you get that enough access to the inside of the latch, you're gonna need to press that down. Once it's unlocked, you hear it unlatch, and there you go. Push that sucker open. So this is the panel. Once you get it off, those are the poppers. And then, well, this is the new replacement handle. As you can see, it has this little clip thing. So, you gotta release the old one from this little lever, this guy. Then you should be able to have two bolts that hold it in right here. This guy and this guy. They'll be in there. You gotta take those off. You should be able to remove your handle. So it's two 10mm holding that sucker in. And this is the old one versus the new one. So right here's where the arm broke, or the lever. And there's the new one. So all you gotta do is slide all that through. Nice and gently. You're probably gonna have to open it and get it finessed on the inside. So then you slide those studs through and you get the 10mm nuts, and we'll show you the inside. So we're on the inside, and to get the handle back on, you're gonna have to remove the locking mechanism, which has, what was it, 12s? Yep. Two 12s, 2mm. And there's one here, that's a 10. And then you're able to lift this and slide it out of the way, or slide it up. And then you should be able to pop the handle back in. Pop the handle in, as you can see. And then you're gonna wanna put your two 10mm on the handle. And once you do that, you put this back mounted in, and then you're gonna connect this little latch, or that little snap thing, to this, and should be all set. So once you finagle that clip onto that little lever, you bolt everything back in, including this sucker, and should have a working handle.